How are you guys doing? What's up? So today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you which is very delicious and very tasty. It's totally homemade and we're going to have a lot of fun making the recipe. So let's go!
Seeds, fennel, egg, salt and baking powder, sugar, milk, flour, and vanilla essence. These are the ingredients of our today's recipe.
So first of all, we need some sugar. Let's add our sugar.
Okay, oops. Let's add that.
And now we're going to add some milk. A glass of milk. Let's add a cup of milk. Okay, that's it. And now we're going to add an egg. One egg. It can be a desi egg and it can also be a farmy egg. Whichever you like. Due to your preferences. According to your preferences. And now we're cracking the egg. I'm really bad at cracking eggs. Let's crack some. Okay. Now, cracking our egg finally. Here we go. Okay. Let me just put that on. Let's just get the remaining out. Okay. Let's get this remaining out because we don't want to waste eggs. We don't want to waste eggs. Our eggs right here. And now we're going to add some. Now we're going to add our baking. This is our baking powder, and we need to add some salt. So let's just add those. Okay. And then this is totally optional. If you want to add some fennel, sunflower in here, and you can also add some sesame. So let's just add this. I love adding fennel to my recipes because they taste really good, honestly. Let's just add a little bit of it. And now we're going to add vanilla essence. Okay, I hope this doesn't fall. Okay. This much vanilla essence is totally fine. Let's just add a little bit more. Is this it? Okay. Now, lastly, we're going to add our flour. So, let's add our flour. Let's add the remaining vanilla essence. And now we're going to add our flour. Let's just add 7 to 8 tablespoons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. And now we're finally going to mix our batter. Mixy time. Okay. So let's just mix it. I think we need to add a little bit more milk. Let's just add milk. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I think our bowl is gonna overflow because of our batter. Okay, let's just add. Be careful. Be careful while mixing this batter. Be careful, okay? Okay, let's just mix our batter. I'm really excited to taste these when we fry these. We have to fry the batter. Mix for a while, mix very properly because you don't want any flour or anything any ingredient to be left because we need to mix it properly. Yeah, we need to mix it properly so the batter can be good, nice and textury. Let's just mix a little bit more milk. I think so. This is too rough. I think I'm gonna have. Okay, let's do it. Mix. Okay. Oops. Okay. You should have a smooth texture of your batter when it's done. Let's mix it all up. And I think so. This is a little bit too much. This is too thin. You need it to be a little smoother. So let's just add a little bit more flour because I think I added a little bit too much milk. Okay, that's it. This is enough. Let's just keep mixing, and let's just mix properly. Yes. Okay. Okay, there we go. Nice and smooth. Very good. Nice and smooth. Look at this. Your texture should be like this. Very smooth. And a very important tip. When you add your sugar, you should taste it because, accordingly, you should add your sugar accordingly to your taste. So you better taste your batter like this. Okay, mine. This is fine. I like it. I like the amount of sugar I added. So now our batter's totally done. And you can also add these fennels. You can also add the sesame and black seed I added. This can make this way more tastier. I recommend adding these black seeds, these sesames, and the fennels. And when you're done, let's do a recap for what we added for the ingredients. So first of all, we took some all-purpose flour. If you don't have like agar atta pas medane, you can also take the normal atta that you use every day. And then we used sugar, chini. And then we used an egg. It can either be a desi egg, and it can also be a farming egg. And then we had some salt, a little bit of salt, and then we added a little bit of baking powder. And then over here, this is totally optional. We added fernels, also known as soft, and we also added a little bit, one teaspoon, like 1 to 2 teaspoons of this vanilla extract essence. And then you can it's also optional. You can add the sesame. You can also add these black seeds. These make the taste way better. And then when you're done with the batter, you need to leave it for about 30 minutes or about an hour. And then you can fry the batter, and you're going to love the results. You're going to fry these until they're golden brown, and then you're going to love these. You can give these as lunch. You can eat these as snacks. And whenever we're going to fry these, we will always share when we fry these. We're going to make a video for you when we fry this batter. And I hope you like this video. अब हमारा बैटर जो हमने बनाया था वो सारा marinate हो गया. Now we're going to fry it. So we just added the oil. If we use this oil, we just added the oil into our frying pan. And now we're ready to fry. And we've got a few things right over here. And I also want to use these cookie cutters so the pancakes look way better. Well, it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's go. So right over here, we added our oil. We used that oil over there. And now we're going to take our cookie cutter right here. I'm going to take the biggest sizes. And now we're going to add these slowly into our frying pan. Okay, I'm very scared to do this. It's my first time to ever do this. And then, wait, this is spatula. This, or this, and then we're going to add the cookie cutter. And now we're going to fry. We're going to start frying our pancakes, and I'm really excited to fry these. We're going to add our batter so it gets fried. Okay, let's add our batter. I'm really excited how this mix it. Let's fill all sides. Okay, that's it. Add that back, and now I'm going to wait for them to fry. I'm really excited. let's just fill out the shapes. So there you go. These now we're going to let the other side cook. Like we're going to fry this. So now our pancakes are fried, and now we're going to fry more. My mama helped me fry these all because I was a little scared. It was my first time frying pancakes and all that stuff. So now we're going to fry more. Here. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're going to fry this like this. I'm going to get the hang of this. I know. Okay, there you go. We're going to do that back. There you go. Now we're going to fry these. Okay. Now we're going to let them fry. Let's just do some more. There's some space. Okay, we're going to let these fry. Okay, that's it. We're going to put this back, and we're going to use our spatula. Now we're going to flip this. Let's just flip this. Okay. Oh my god, that looks golden brown. We're going to fry like this, and now these are frying. Look at this. Look at the golden. Look at that. Look at these. These are frying, and I'm very super excited to taste them. I know they're going to turn out really great. They're going to turn out very delicious. And I'm going to just flip them. They're just about to cook, so let's just go. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Oopsies. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's take off all the oil. Just a little more. There you go. This is our last pancake. And we're officially done frying. Oh my goodness. There you go. We're of course done with the frying. Let's just put this right over here. Close the stove. Yes, that's closed. There you go. We have all our pancakes completed and our batter is finished. We can make more. It tastes good. Okay, so now that our pancakes are all done, we've prepared some chocolate, melted chocolate. And if you don't have chocolate at home, you can use cocoa powder plus water, and then you're gonna mix that together. And there we go. We have this. It's very delicious. Tasty. Start with each. Since this was my first time frying, some of these got burned, and you shouldn't burn them because when you burn these will turn hard. When you eat these will turn very very hard, and then they might not taste good for you. They might not. Look at this. This is so brown. And look at that. I like to eat this as meat. It's very tasty. And now we're going to eat these. Let's just do a taste test. Okay, now we're going to make this one. No. What about this one? Okay, now we have this. Now let's just eat it. First impression, really good, very delicious. It's very good. The chocolate's a great addition to this. You can add any syrup instead of chocolate. You can add honey. You can also add any syrup, like maple syrup. And this is very delicious. And if you don't overburn this, these will be very soft for you. These are very delicious. I love the chocolate. It's really good. guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And please comment down below for more recipes like this.